SEI Network just absolutely obliterated its year-long descending trend line, and I'm telling you right now, this is the breakout we've been waiting for. The charts are screaming bullish, and with Backpack Wallet going live with full SEI support, we could be looking at a parabolic move that sends SEI straight to the stratosphere. Make sure to watch this video entirely until the end, because this could change everything for SEI holders. What's up, crypto fam? This is Goldrush, and welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Today we're diving deep into two absolutely massive developments that have me more bullish on SEI than ever before. We're talking about a technical breakout that's been over a year in the making, plus an integration that's going to make SEI more accessible than ever. This is going to be a high-energy breakdown of why SEI might just be your next moonshot, so buckle in. Let's start with this absolutely mind-blowing analysis from Brave New Coin that has the entire SEI community going absolutely crazy right now. According to this detailed technical breakdown, SEI has just triggered what analyst Posty is calling a confirmed breakout from its multi-month descending trend line. And folks, when I tell you this is massive, I mean this is massive. We're talking about a bearish structure that has been holding SEI down since early 2024, over an entire year of suppressed price action, and it just got completely demolished. As you can see in this chart analysis, the SEI USDT daily time frame is showing something absolutely beautiful. After peaking above 85 cents back in early 2024, SEI has been trapped in this controlled downtrend, consistently printing lower highs like clockwork. But here's where it gets absolutely insane. The recent price action has seen SEI blast above both the diagonal resistance and horizontal resistance levels around 34 to 36 cents. Mark my words, when you see a breakout like this with volume confirmation, you're looking at a structural shift from bearish to neutral to bullish outlook. And the volume? The volume is telling us everything we need to know. This isn't some weak, low-volume fake-out that's going to get smashed back down. This is legitimate buying pressure with conviction behind it. The analysis points out that a well-defined descending triangle had formed during the consolidation phase, and when you get an upward breakout from this type of structure, it signals that traders are ready to reprice the asset based on renewed buying pressure. Posty's chart is highlighting potential future zones around 60 to 80 cents if this bullish momentum holds above these reclaimed levels. 60 to 80 cents, people. We're talking about potential gains of over 100% from current levels. Now, I've got to keep it real with you. SEI did experience a sharp pullback over the last 24 hours. The token dropped from above 32 cents down to around 28 cents 76, which represents about a 10% intraday decline. But here's the thing that has me absolutely pumped. This sell-off occurred with a total volume of $229.9 million. That volume tells us this wasn't some low liquidity dump. This was real activity, real price discovery, and it's actually confirming that we're seeing legitimate market dynamics at play. The market structure shifted to lower highs and lower lows during the day, but here's what's got me bullish. There were minimal rebound attempts, which means we haven't seen panic selling or cascading liquidations. SEI's market cap is currently sitting at $1.66 billion, and any attempts to hold that 285 to 290 cent range could determine whether the bulls can defend this breakout or if we see further downside retests. But honestly, with the technical setup we're seeing and the fundamental developments I'm about to share with you, I think the bulls are going to step up in a major way. Speaking of momentum indicators, I've got to mention that the Chaikin money flow is currently sitting at negative 0.15, which points to some capital outflows and diminished buying interest in the short term. The bull and bear power indicator is also showing a negative reading of negative 0.0597. Now, these indicators are showing some short-term weakness. But here's what separates successful crypto traders from the rest. We look at the bigger picture. And that bigger picture just got absolutely massive with our second piece of game-changing news from Crypto News Flash. SEI Network is now live on Backpack with full wallet support. And let me tell you why this is going to be absolutely huge for SEI's adoption and price action. Backpack isn't just any wallet. It's a popular crypto wallet and exchange platform that's especially beloved by users who need a comprehensive crypto experience all in one app. This integration enables users to manage native SEI assets directly from Backpack Wallet. both on the mobile version and in the browser extension. But wait, it gets even better. Backpack users can now trade SEI tokens and use native USDC on the same network for settlement. Native USDC people. This provides more stable pairing options and makes the trading experience absolutely seamless. According to this article, trading with stablecoins has long been a basic need in the crypto space, and the presence of native USDC on Backpack addresses this need without requiring wrapped tokens or dealing with the sometimes uncertain cross-chain bridges. This is absolutely massive for user experience and adoption. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Backpack is now included in the list of recommended wallets for the entire SEI ecosystem. This means developers are making it easier than ever to reach new users. Want to onboard to SEI-based decentralized applications? It's now faster and more convenient than ever before. For builders in the SEI ecosystem, this clearly reduces the initial friction that often deters new users from trying out new platforms. And the strategic collaborations don't stop there. The article mentions that back in mid-July, SEI integrated with Chainlink CCIP. That's the cross-chain asset transfer protocol that already secures over $18 trillion in on-chain value. With infrastructure this robust, SEI can now support fast and secure asset transfers between networks, which is exactly what we need in today's multi-chain cryptocurrency landscape. Plus, in June, the Web3 security platform MyWebAC officially launched on SEI. This platform brings real-time risk monitoring tools and a wallet address reputation system that helps users make more informed decisions when transacting. The timing couldn't be more perfect. With recent upgrades to SEI and increasing volume on decentralized exchanges, this integration feels like puzzle pieces fitting together perfectly. And get this, the European market is also showing major interest with the launch of the staked SEI ETP by CoinShares. This product allows investors to gain direct exposure to SEI with a 1-to-1 guarantee, plus a 2% annual staking return with no management fees. Everything is automated, making it a complete package for investors who want to profit from staking without the hassle. Look at this data here. As of the time this article was published, SEI was trading at about 28 cents 79, down about 9.89% over the last 24 hours, with a market cap sitting at approximately $1.66 billion. Now, let me connect these dots for you because this is where the magic happens. You've got a technical breakout from a year-long bearish structure. You've got major wallet integration that's going to drive adoption through the roof. You've got institutional products launching in Europe. And you've got the infrastructure improvements that are making SEI more secure and connected than ever before. This is the perfect storm for a massive SEI rally. And I'm telling you right now, if you're not paying attention to SEI, you're missing out on what could be one of the biggest opportunities in the Layer 1 space. The combination of technical momentum breaking to the upside and fundamental developments that are going to drive real-world adoption is exactly what we look for in explosive cryptocurrency investments. SEI isn't just breaking resistance levels, it's breaking into mainstream accessibility and institutional recognition. Mark my words, when you see this type of confluence between technical breakouts and fundamental catalysts, you're looking at the recipe for parabolic price action. The descending triangle breakout gave us the technical setup, and now Backpack integration, Chainlink CCIP, and European institutional products are providing the fundamental fuel for this rocket ship. That's all for today's analysis, Crypto Fam. Keep stacking, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one where we'll be diving into more opportunities that could change your crypto portfolio forever.